All right. Now that we filtered out all the difficult people, we need to x-ray the rest, assuming they're good candidates, of course. Where are they in the funnel? Where they are determines what we talk to them about and where we take them next. Like I said before, don't talk offers with somebody who's an experiential window shopper. So let's look at the list here. The window shopper is a buyer later. You know when they're experiential that they're in this for the long hauls. Statistically 6 to 12 months before they take action if this is their first kind of weekend going out to open houses. It takes time for people, for the small part of a person's brain to encourage them to take action on moving a house or moving into a house and buying a home, right? We know that the longer they go to open houses, the longer they look at Zillow, the more likely they are to make a move on one. Don't rush the process. Your whole goal is to just latch onto them and ride as long as it takes. I just set up an appointment for tomorrow from an open house lead that I had 3 years ago. It came to the fall festival. It takes that long for people to come around and make that move. So when you find those experiential people, don't worry so much about converting them day one. Worry so much about building a great relationship and serving them when the time comes. The active shopper with no agent, now business, low-hanging fruit. We love those guys. Take them over everybody else. Drop what you're doing and cover down. You might have an active shopper that has an agent, but maybe it's a new relationship, in which case we can poke holes in that. Like, how long have you known this guy? Well, I met him 30 minutes ago. Great. So you're saying there's a chance. Awesome. Or they might have had a bad experience. Like we talked about before, I put in 16 offers, nothing's happened. Tell me more about that. Why don't you think those offers got accepted? Huh, that's interesting. Weird, right? Step in, take that client. Could be a buy-sell, right? So don't get pigeonholed. I've heard this a lot on our role plays and things like that. I'm a really fantastic buyer's agent. I specialize in buyers. Oh, well, I have a house to sell too, so I guess I'll find someone else to list it. Oh, that sucks. I specialize in whatever you want. You just tell me what you need and I'm going to do it. So let's explore before you pigeonhole yourself. Nosy neighbor, like we talked about before, they're either a really good referral partner or a potential seller. Then you got the professional open houser. The professional open houser, oh man, they really are good at making you think that you guys are bonded. Oh man, they're a hot lead. They're gonna do business like next week. They're ready to set an appointment. They just need to do one thing first. And then 3 weeks later, you see them at another open house and you're like, wait a second, you guys are like wedding crashers. This is just what you do. Son of a bitch, you had me. As soon as you identify that that's the professional open houser, get them out of there. Or, and I think a lot of us have been trapped with this one. It's another agent, or it's a lender, or it's an industry partner. They spend 15 minutes chumming you up, and then they're like, oh, by the way, I work for C2 Financial. It's like, you son of a bitch. Like, you just let me pass 5 other potential clients while you're here wasting my time, putting me in a trap. This is my trap. Go get your own. Contact me Monday through Friday with this crap so I can hang up the phone. Infuriating. As soon as you get a whiff that they're an industry partner, put a label on it. So what company do you work for? Oh, financial, get out of here. See you later. Or it could be an investor. Investors want deals. With these guys, don't talk to them too much about the house. Who cares? Just say, great, I get off-market properties. I get pocket deals. Can I just add you to my list? Great. Contact info, blah, 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 and then move on from there. Investors will take a lot of time from you. They'll talk about the market. They'll talk about the NASDAQ. They'll talk about all kinds of stuff. Meanwhile, you've got other good potential low-hanging fruit that's passing you by. Get their contact, put them on a list, and then move on.